Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error. Your purchase has not been completed. Please wait a few minutes and try again. So guys, if you encounter this type of error on your iPhone, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the setting and make sure that you're properly connected with internet. So just simply have to turn on airplane mode at least for the 30 or 40 seconds and then turn this off. And now from here guys, check if it's working on now. If it's still not working, just simply have to scroll it down and just simply have to make sure that you're not connected with any of the VPN, and then tap on general, and then you have to go to software update and just simply have to update your device to the latest iOS version. So just simply have to update your device, and after that guys, close this page and then restart your device and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the settings, go to your Apple ID and just simply have to sign out this Apple ID and then sign in the different Apple ID and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, just simply have to close this page. Now open the settings. Now scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. Just simply have to tap on reset all settings. Just simply have to reset the all setting, and then you have to power off your device at least for the 2 or 3 minutes and then turn it on again. And after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is there guys, you can easily contact with the Apple support team through the support app. You can also go to Safari browser and then search Apple support, and then you have to tap on first link, which is the official website of Apple. Just simply have to follow the on-screen instruction and just simply have to contact with the Apple support team, and hopefully they will resolve your issue. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.